Hi, hello, good day, all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel, Intelligible Tutorials. Now, we are in our Apache Kafka series. Okay, so in today's session, no, I would like to tell you regarding how Kafka integrates different kind of processing models. Okay, so different data processing models, how Kafka integrate. Normally, there are three different kinds of data processing models. Those are nothing but event streaming, that is the main default activity of the Kafka, and message queuing and batch processing. The very first one is event streaming. That means publish subscribe model. So here two things will be there. One is the producer, the application which is sending the data, and on particular topic, normally the messages can be published. And the second one is the consumer, the applications that can be consumed or that can be received by the application, that is called as the consumer. And the application which sends the messages or publish the messages are called as producers, and this is the consumers, right? And multiple consumers consuming the message is also possible, they can read the same message. So the group of consumers also can read the same message, that is called the consumer group, and these are the consumers. So the very first example is stock trading system. Not only the trading system, we are having real time examples like Twitter sentiment analysis, and also all these are the very best examples for this event streaming, the real time streaming or the real time data processing. And the next one we are going to see is the point to point processing. Okay, so what is this point to point processing that now we are going to see here? Let us see. Kafka can also act as a message queue. What is the message queue actually? See here, the message queue means this is the message queue. So message will just like a pipe, one end, and it go to the another end, just like a queue. So when multiple customers are in the same group, Kafka distribute messages among them in a queue. So this is the feature called as load balancing, distributing the messages among certain number of the group of consumers, this by balancing the load. Okay, so this feature is called as load balancing, and make sure no single consumer is overwhelmed. So what is the best example for this? A ride hailing app like Uber. Uber is the very best example for this kind of message queue. In the previous we have seen the real-time streaming, that is a Twitter sentiment analysis is the best example. Here the real-time example is Uber. It is a message queue of the particular Kafka. And the next one is batch processing. So it is used to design the real-time data. It can also handle the batch processing. Message can stored in Kafka topic and can be processed later. So tools like Apache Spark or Hadoop can read data from Kafka in batches. The other tools normally will do like this. Okay, so the Apache Kafka itself it's not do like this. Like Hadoop and Spark can read the data in batches. Like that, we are having three different kinds of the particular types of the processing models or event stream, publish or subscribe models. These are number one is event streaming, number two is message queue, and number three is batch processing. The very good example for the first one is your Twitter sentiment analysis. For event streaming, the regularly that we will do the default activity of your Kafka, that is nothing but. And the second one is message queue. So here in order to balance the load, the messages can be distributed among respective number of the consumers or consumer groups. And the next one is the batch processing. So here normally it can be done by the other tools which are connected to the Kafka, like Spark and as well as the Hadoop. So these are the event processing models in the Apache Kafka. If at all anyone didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel Intelligible Tutorials. Thank you one and all.